Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable personalized or targeted ads on TikTok. So if you'd rather see ads that are more suited to your interest, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your TikTok profile. Just select the profile button in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, and then underneath Content and Display, you want to go down and select Ads. Near the bottom where it says Manage your off TikTok data, targeted ads. If you want to have targeted or personalized ads turned off, just make sure it's toggled to the left here. Right now it's turned on, so if you want to turn it off, just click inside here to turn it off, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.